In this video, we will look at the various methods of finding a picture you may want to buy. There are several ways to explore the portfolio. We will describe some ways here. Use the gallery to identify pictures that interest you. There are various galleries available to provide different views of the portfolio. Use the galleries menu on the navigation bar to select the gallery that suits your needs. There is a common factor with all the pictures in the galleries. The pictures without frames link to larger images that will allow you to see the paintings in more detail. The pictures with frames link to the product page for the painting. We have a separate video on the product page. The default gallery can be accessed by clicking Galleries on the taskbar. The gallery displays the paintings in a tabbed view. Each tab is a category or type of painting. There is also a Notes tab, which shows some help on the benefits of each gallery and offers links to the various galleries available. Click on the tabs to see the paintings in the selected category. The titles are shown below the image. Click on an image to display a larger image in a slideshow. The titles are shown below the image. Use the arrows at the side of the screen to move through the portfolio. Click on the X to return to the gallery. To select a different type of gallery, go back to the taskbar. The top option on the gallery menu displays all the pictures in the portfolio. The operation of the slideshow is the same as previously described. Go back to the Galleries menu on the taskbar to see the galleries with framed pictures. The images in these galleries link to the product page and the largest images of the paintings. The three galleries show the paintings in different formats to allow you to choose the method that suits your needs. The single column option gives the opportunity to see the paintings clearly without other paintings cluttering up the view. The two-column option gives a more condensed view to allow you to move through the portfolio more efficiently. The carousel view is suited to magnifying your screen to obtain optimal viewing. Use the Ctrl and plus to zoom in, and Ctrl and minus to zoom out. The magnification level is shown at the top of the screen to allow you to reset the screen.